Yep, we're pulling up anchor, Pedro Gonzalez, to go to Mogo Mogo Chapera, and it's raining. We have also been watching whales jumping about 400 meters off of the bay. It doesn't look too good up there. Tell me again, why are we leaving? Oh, yeah, right. We're meeting Rhapsody. They're finally coming out of the marina after their lightning strike fixing. Wind instrument seems to be working. There's WaveRiders leaving Pedro Gonzalez.
It's 4:40 now, and we've just dropped our anchor just off of Chapera, the beach behind me. And it was about a 4.5 hour sail, very slow, just with the Genoa. Kind of rolly and a little bit wet. We have a south wind coming at us onshore, but I don't think it'll be very much. And we got a bit of a swell coming from the east down the channel, but we're fairly well protected here.
Except from the roll, which I do not like. Good morning from Mogo Mogo Chapera Anchorage. Waking up this morning, we have swell coming from the east and wind coming from the south-southwest. And what does that equal? It equals rolliness on the beam. And Leanne here, who gets seasick, yes, I know, pathetic, but I do get seasick, is very uncomfortable here in the roll. So we're going to take a little water bike this morning ride over to the bay. That's maybe 400 meters over there to my west, right up there, and see if this swell is not so bad over there. So I'm at this bay. That's like 400 meters away around a point. Here's the bay. WaveRiders is just beyond the tree, and the swell on this side is coming from the southwest. It's hit and miss, I think. It looks like a big monster powerboat is coming in here too to anchor, and they'll probably go here. I think we're left out. We're not going to be able to move, most likely. We're waiting for Taku and Rhapsody to meet us here. I'm hoping that the swell is going to dissipate by the time they get here, because they're in monohulls and it will be pretty uncomfortable. Let's see if anybody's on the move this morning. We're looking for Taku and Rhapsody. Let's see. Oh, it's looking like Taku might be on the move. There's Taku, and we're the black boat up top. Let's see how fast they're going. Oh, looks like they're going 3.5, so I would think that they are sailing, because we didn't go too much faster than that yesterday on our way up here. This black line is from Panama, or sail from Panama, and we cannot see Rhapsody coming out of there yet. It's a little bit 30 nautical miles away. We cannot see on our AIS unless they're big tankers like this one. That one's a big tanker going into Panama, so they have very strong AIS. The normal sailboats like us, we can maybe see 19 miles away. 20, we usually can't see them, so 19 miles is pretty well the breaking point. And I feel like I'm surfing here. Get the yoga workout before my bike ride and swim today. Now this is facing east, and that's the mainland, and that's usually where the clouds hang over, and I'm thinking that because that's where the lightning and storms clouds are, we'll get some wind from there. It's really odd because when we were sailing here, we're on the west side of the Pearl Islands, and the swell was coming from the southwest, and then when we cross over to the east side of the Pearl Islands, the swell's coming from the east. So it's totally different animal. We thought it would be pretty safe here because the direction that the wind and the swell was coming from, but it's not. Sorry, Rhapsody and Taku. We might have to go to North Contadora, but we'll wait for you and play it out probably till tomorrow at least and see what happens. And Taku has now arrived, 11 a.m. We're just waiting for you now, Rhapsody. There they are!
Rhapsody, WaveRiders.
They're coming in.
See some details.
There she blows! Rhapsody under sail. Okay, good. These guys are leaving now. Let's make some room. Sundowner time! Oh, here comes Taku, rowing their boat. Row, row. Yay, the last charter boat is leaving. Woohoo! Now we have it all to ourselves, the anchorage.
This side. Thank you, sir.
Hi. And there's Bob from Taku. Taku! Taku! Oh, no.
Yeah, there was a lot of crap going on there. They don't have
Like a little solenoid switch. You can switch it.
It's nice and calm now. End of day 2, Moga Moga Chapera. Good night from WaveRiders. Snorkeling spot behind me. The little reef between Mogu Mogu and Chapera. I'll just keep my eyes shut. Let's go snorkeling! Sleeping still. None of us are quite done yet, so we're going to go look for a snorkeling spot. Hey, we snorkeled 3 hours yesterday, water bike to half. Today's only been an hour, so we're not done yet. Hi-ho, group. Let's go. We're just trying to figure out what to do. I jumped in to find a ray, they disappeared, and I climbed up the water bike, and 9 of them swam by me on the shore. Another beautiful sunset in the Perlas.
Good morning. Our last day in Chapera, Mogo Mogo area. We're going to move to the north of Contadora so that we can upload our video today. And this is what we've woken up to. A really good rainstorm, and it's just pouring out this morning. Most of the night it poured. If you look over here to my right, you can see the sand filling in around the boat in the water there. We had planned... There's your thunder. We had planned to go for a snorkel today. We had found some really nice clear water yesterday, and we wanted some more to get some better footage of some really nice fish. And here we go. The water is just brown now. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Sailing WaveRiders. If you're watching this on Saturday, I'm filming this on Thursday. So it's only a few days ago that we experienced this. Join us next week where we're going to try and find another place to explore and share with you.